Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Monte Vista Elementary School in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. This is my second time getting to visit the after-school program students, the AM/PM group. I'm outside of the NPR where we just had our presentation. Today's focus was on respect and that we're all true miracles, right? But I love the signage, not just here, but all across campus. This one right here, though, this bulletin board says to be safe, right? And there's some attributes here at Monte Vista. Greatness starts here, right? But it's saying to be safe, be kind, be respectful, be responsible. We really focused on that respectful aspect today, right? Through a series of positive songs, some heartfelt stories, some motivational videos. The students really got the message and they took it home to heart that we have to be respectful first and foremost to ourselves, but then show that to others as well, right? We built on the leadership theme. This is a Leader in Me school. We built on what we talked about during my last visit a few months ago. And what's so important too is that we show this respect everywhere, right? Not just at home, but here at school, in the classroom, in the hallway, the cafeteria, the playground, the bathrooms, and the dismissal area, right? That all of us have to show this, right? We all have to do our part, because a lot of times what we showed, in today's assembly was that if someone has something mean done to them, right, over and over and over again, their heart starts to kind of turn black and blue, like the same color as bruises. And the only way to reverse that or erase that is if we can show more positivity, be more kind. So they brainstorm some ways that they've had their feelings hurt in the past, or seen someone else that had, someone that was mean to them, those experiences. But then we reversed it and said, okay, what are some kind things that we can say? How can we compliment each other? How can we build someone up? Because the whole idea too is that we all have this power to uplift or to bring down. And some of us have more power or popularity than others. Some of us have more influence than others. But hopefully we can always choose, right, to make sure that we use that power to make sure that we build that person back up. And if we do get hurt, that we take some time to pause, right? We talked about the power of the pause, stop and pop. That if somebody says something mean to us, we don't say something mean right away, because it just keeps that cycle going. The only way to rise above the hate is to show more love, right? That we rise by lifting others. And they really did take that home to heart. A lot of students came up to me afterwards, told me about how they're getting bullied right now, and that some of their friends, are choosing to kind of put them down and tease them, and it really, really hurts them. It's been going on since TK or kindergarten. But I say, look, that's their opinion. Not every opinion matters, right? What matters is what we believe, that we're all true miracles, and that our true friends see this too. It's like the front of my shirt, M for miracle, right? That's what this stands for on all of our hands, with the lines on our hands. We all have the letter M, at least one on each hand. I trace one of mine here. And that M again stands for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, right? We're beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And we have to buy into that, right? Because this world needs us, and how we start to change the world is by first changing ourselves, right? That's how we better the people around us, our family, our friends, our school, our community, our city, our state, and this world. So thank you so much for touching my heart. Hope to be back again in the future to share another really important message with you on a different topic. But until then, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button to see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. Feel free to also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.